Hover transforms smartphone photos of your home into a fully measured, customizable 3D model. Here's how it works. To start a new job, tap the plus sign. Type in a property name. You can type the property address or tap the arrow to geolocate your position. If necessary, move the pin around until you have the right address. Select your property type. Then tap Add Photos. We recommend capturing in landscape orientation. Now walk around the home and take photos of each face and corner. Do your best to capture the full sides on corner shots and try to avoid sun glare. If a tree or other vegetation is in the way, don't worry. Just capture the home as best as you can. Get the full facade in each shot, even if you have to stand farther back. Starting at the front of the house, follow the guide to orient yourself as you take photos. After each photo, you'll have a chance to review and retake the shot if necessary. In a scenario with tight lot lines, you'll want to position yourself and your phone in a way that allows you to get as much of the home in the shot as possible, even if you have to stand at an angle. If you have a detached garage, capture that structure as a new property. Continue to work your way around the home. If you need more than 8 photos, tap the Add Photo button. Once you've captured the entire home, tap Finish. Click Share to share photos with your contractor or insurance provider and your work is done. You'll receive an email when your 3D model is ready. Keep in mind that the better your photos are, following all of the tips we mentioned, the faster the turnaround will be. And if you need help at any time, access live chat in-app by tapping the menu in the top left corner. Tap Support and tap Contact the Hover team and type your question. Feel free to contact us anytime.